Oh, hey guys, today I will be making some cook up saltfish, as we call it. So saltfish is very salty. So what I normally do, you can either boil or soak your saltfish, but if you're strapped for time like I am now, I have no time to soak, so I'm going to boil my saltfish. The first thing I'm going to do is to remove the skin of my saltfish. Removing the skin of the saltfish will decrease the boiling time because, as you can see, most of the salt is actually in the skin. So I'm going to probably boil this for about 10 minutes and then remove. So I'm now going to remove my saltfish. So now that my saltfish is cooled, I'm going to go ahead and pick my saltfish and remove all these small bones that I can find. Now that my saltfish is picked and washed again, I'm going to saute my saltfish in some tomatoes, onions. These are both onions, white onion, red onions. I have some sweet peppers, I have some hot pepper, I have garlic, and I have some thyme leaves. So I'm using here some virgin coconut oil. Ooh, this smells so good. So we're just adding our saltfish now to our vegetables. I'm going to add some regular oil. And I'm going to cover this and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Before I forget, I'm going to add some black pepper